Hello everyone. Welcome to Research Hub. Do you ever find yourself stuck on a single sentence, rewriting it repeatedly without satisfaction? For research students, paraphrasing is a critical skill. It helps prevent plagiarism, improves clarity, and ensures the original intent of academic sources is preserved. Today we're introducing an AI-based tool that allows you to enhance literature reviews, refine thesis drafts, and communicate complex ideas clearly, all within seconds. Let's explore how it works. To begin, simply click the official website link available in the video description. This link will take you to Answer This AI, a powerful artificial intelligence platform developed to simplify and accelerate academic research tasks. Answer This AI provides extensive support for academic writing, literature reviews, research analysis, and much more. As researchers, we constantly look for solutions that improve efficiency without compromising academic standards. Start by logging in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of Answer This AI. This platform is designed to save time and can be used for a wide range of academic tasks, from brief literature reviews to complete research papers. Just below the main dashboard, you'll notice the Best Tools for Researchers section. Here you'll find features such as literature review tools, citation generators, citation mapping, PDF chat functionality, AI writing tools, data extraction, and additional research utilities. The platform also assists in identifying research gaps and generating diverse academic content. In this video, our main focus will be the AI Paraphraser tool, which helps improve writing quality while maintaining originality. After selecting the paraphraser, you'll see a clean interface that includes a text input box and several writing style options, including academic, fluent, formal, and professional. For this demonstration, we'll use a 500-word essay discussing the impact of AI on student learning outcomes. The essay explores multiple dimensions of the topic and ends with a well-rounded conclusion. To paraphrase the text, copy the complete essay and paste it into the input field. Make sure to scroll through and confirm that the entire text has been pasted correctly. Next, choose your desired writing style. I'll select academic for this example, but you can choose any style that best suits your needs. On the right-hand side, you'll find customization settings. The length adjustment slider allows you to control the word count of the paraphrased output. Our original text contains 387 words, and adjusting the slider enables us to increase or reduce the length. Another useful feature is the variation control, which lets you generate multiple versions of the text with different levels of change from the original content. Once all settings are finalized, click the rephrase button and allow the AI a moment to process the text. And it's done. The original essay, consisting of 387 words, has been refined and condensed to 276 words. Let's make a brief comparison. In the original version, the introduction described artificial intelligence as a transformative force in education. The revised version now states, social media has become a powerful force in the lives of young people across the world. Platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and YouTube shape how youth communicate, learn, and perceive themselves. While social media provides many opportunities for connection and growth, it also brings several challenges. Understanding its impact on youth is essential to promote healthy and responsible usage. In the rephrase section, you can see that social media plays a significant role in the lives of young people worldwide. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and YouTube influence how youth interact, learn, and see themselves. While social media offers chances for connection and development, it also poses challenges. Understanding its impact on young individuals is crucial for promoting healthy and responsible use. As you can observe, the central concept remains intact. However, the language has been refined to achieve greater clarity and academic sophistication. I recommend carefully reviewing the paraphrased content section by section to ensure it meets your academic and quality standards. Once you are satisfied, the text can be copied directly or shared via a dedicated shareable link, enabling smooth collaboration within your research workflow. In conclusion, this demonstrates how Answer This AI's paraphrasing tool can be effectively utilized for academic writing purposes. It is essential to thoroughly evaluate all AI-generated content and confirm that it complies with institutional guidelines and ethical research practices. I encourage you to explore Answer This AI for yourself. The access link is provided in the video description. Please share your feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for more content focused on AI-driven tools for academic research.